Good morning, friends. I, Rimsi Gambhir, welcome you again to my YouTube channel of RG Training Classes. And today we come up with our next video where we are going to learn how can we install Python in our system. Friends, there are many IDEs available for Python to work in Python. That is integrated development environment. Not a single IDE is there. Like we can work on, we can say that we have PyCharms, we have Atom that is developed by GitHub, and we have Sublime Text 3, and we can use Thorny. There are some IDEs that comes by default as in when we install the Python. It depends that whether we are installing it at the beginner's level or at the professional level. So I would suggest, my dear friends, that if you really want to learn, then just do the coding by your own. Try to code by your own. Don't rely on these auto-completion features. So at the beginner's level, it's good for you that if you install the basic Python IDE, that when we install the Python, it comes by default, Python Integrated Development Environment, that today I am going to make you understand with the help of this video that how can we create that, how can we install Python in our system. So first of all, you need to open Google Chrome. Then after opening Google Chrome, you will type python.org. And then you will click, this is the official website of Python where we can get to know about the different libraries of the Python, what are the different releases, what are the upgraded versions of Python. So we will move to downloads, we will click on downloads, and here it is showing us the latest version of Python after fixing all the errors or the bugs. This is the latest version of Python. If we want to see all the releases, that we can go here for checking all the releases of Python. What are the different releases starting from version 1, 2 and 3, and now but we are installing the latest version, so we will click on Python 3.8.3. Here we will click on this. It will take few seconds to download and then we will show it in folder. This is Python 3.8.3. You can see now it is the exe file and we have to double click on it. As we double click on it, it is just asking you that you need to install it as a customized installation, or you need to install it like it creates the shortcuts and includes ID and all documentation. We need all documentation. But my dear viewers, we need to keep in mind that we have to add it to path as well. Okay, and then we click on install now. It will take few moments to install. Just wait, and then we get to know how can we use it. Basically it is going to install everything, and let's wait for this installation process. It will take few seconds as we are doing. Then it may ask you that now after the proper installation we just need to click on finish. It depends that I am installing it for 32-bit system. It's a 32-bit setup. Python 3.8 8.3. Now you can see setup was successful, and then we have to click on this close. Now what can we do here? We need to check that Python is installed or not. So what we are going to do, we are just going to search it for basically. So we are searching here Python. You can say the moment I type Python, it is showing me the Python IDLE. I install Python, it is showing me the Python IDLE. See, our Python is successfully installed. This is the basic shell of Python where I can execute the various commands of Python. In case I want to open the new file, I can open the new file from here. File, new file. It is just wait. So how can we open the new file here? File, then click on new file. Okay. So if I want to just save it, I can save it, and like welcome, and the extension that we are using for it, that is .py extension, and then save. So we can create the different scripts using this. So here this video was about creating and installing Python in your system. So my dear viewers, if you really like this video, kindly follow me, like and share and subscribe to my channel.